Champion is proud to introduce Brute Platinum Cermet Tip Saw Blades, the newest technology in high-performance metal cutting. Razor-sharp Cermet teeth resist heat, resist friction, so you can cut 2 times longer. Specialized blades for steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Optimized productivity for fast, easy, frustration-free cutting. Engineered to cut tougher, Razor stainless blades feature 2 times more teeth than standard blades. Special 2-step body reduces vibration and prevents chipping for smooth, stable cutting. Effortlessly cut through 304 stainless like butter. When you choose Brute Platinum, you're making a commitment to quality. Step up your game with Razor Cermet, innovative industrial solutions from your metal cutting experts. Champion Cutting Tool Corp.